If you're seeing the GOG error E4, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you a simple fix that can help get GOG Galaxy working again. This issue is usually caused by permission problems or security software blocking the client, so we're going to go through the safest steps one by one. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, close GOG Galaxy completely if it's open. Make sure it is not just minimized in the background. Once it's fully closed, go to your desktop or start menu and find the GOG Galaxy shortcut. Right-click it and from the menu, choose Run as Administrator. Running the client with administrator permissions can solve a lot of access and connection issues, especially if GOG needs permission to update, launch, or communicate properly with Windows. If the error goes away after this, then it was likely just a permissions issue. But if you still see the E4 error, the next thing we need to check is your antivirus and firewall settings. Sometimes security software blocks GOG Galaxy by mistake, even though the app is safe. To fix that, click the Windows Start menu and search for Virus and Threat Protection. Open that setting and then click Manage Settings. Scroll down until you see the Exclusion section, then click Add or Remove Exclusions. This is where you can tell Windows Security not to scan or interfere with the GOG Galaxy folder. Click Add an Exclusion, choose Folder, and then browse to the GOG Galaxy installation folder. Select the GOG Galaxy folder and confirm it. Adding the folder as an exclusion can stop Windows Defender from blocking important files that GOG needs to run correctly. If you use a third-party antivirus program, you may also want to add the same folder there or temporarily disable any overly aggressive protection features while testing. After that, restart GOG Galaxy and try again. In many cases, these two steps are enough to fix the E4 error because the client can now open with the right permissions and without being blocked by security tools. If the issue still appears, double-check that the folder exclusion was added correctly and that you selected the main GOG Galaxy directory, the directory, not just a shortcut. Also make sure you launch out the app directly as administrator and not from an older pinned shortcut that may not have applied the change properly. Once everything is set, try signing in or launching your game again to confirm the error is gone. And that's how you can fix GOG error E4 using administrator mode and antivirus exclusions. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step fixes just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.